Hey guys, and welcome to Dainty Bite. As easy as it is, this alfajore cookie is the most special because I've tried so many other recipes and this one is a winner. It's exactly the same texture I want it to be. Let me share this amazing, crumbly, soft, filled cookie with you and let's get started. Start making this cookie right away and you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna make the cookie all by hand. I'm gonna start with exactly 115 grams of butter, unsalted room temperature butter. And I use a good European butter because this is a shortbread cookie. And the butter is most of the flavor, so it's worth indulging a little bit. I cream the butter with 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Mix until very creamy. It is combined nicely. At this point, you can add 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, the zest of a small orange, or about 1 teaspoon of the zest. This is optional. You can flavor the shortbread cookie with nothing at all, or you can add the vanilla and the orange zest. It will add a nice flavor with the caramel filling. I mix using this spatula until everything is mixed nicely, and now I'm gonna add 1/2 cup of cornstarch and 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, a touch of salt. I'll be leaving all the amounts in grams and in cups in the description box below, so check it out. I mix together and I add them to the butter. This cookie is super easy to make because you mix everything by hand, no mixer is necessary, and you'll be amazed with the results. It's so soft and crumbly and light. It's everything you want in a cookie. This is what you're looking for. You're gonna want to refrigerate it for 1/2 hour to an hour because this is a cutout cookie. It's gonna be easier to handle. 1/2 hour to an hour later, I'm gonna flour the surface I'm working on. I need a pan with parchment paper. This will make about 25 cookies depending on the size you're making. Alfajores cookie is very famous in South America, but some say it originated in the Middle East. You can make them thicker, you can make them this way. It's totally up to you. Let's talk baking time. You want to bake these at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. You don't want to overbake them. If you do, they may tend to become a little bitter. Let them cool completely before trying to fill them. The filling that I'm going to use is dulce de leche. You can find it in the cake aisle next to the sweet condensed milk. And it is basically cooked and caramelized sweet condensed milk. You can simply achieve the dulce de leche by cooking the sweet condensed milk under water and let it simmer for 4 to 5 hours. Or you can buy this one. It's so good and you don't have to make it at home. Enjoy with a cup of coffee or a cup of tea and let me know what you think. And please don't forget to subscribe, like and share and hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of my recipes. And follow me on social media. The links are going to be in the description box below. And until next time, bon appétit!